In today's video, I'll show you how to check the follow requests you've sent on Instagram. Whether you're revisiting old requests or clearing up your list, this simple trick will keep your Instagram interactions organized. First, open the Instagram. Tap on your profile picture at the bottom right corner to go to your profile page. Click on the three horizontal lines in the upper right corner. Now, carefully follow the steps. Click on Account Center. Scroll down and find your information and permissions. Tap on it to open. Here you'll see many options. For our process, click on Download Your Information. This section contains data about what you've shared, added, and your activity on this platform. Click on Download or Transfer Information. If you have multiple accounts, select the desired one and click Next. Here you can get all available information or choose specific ones you need. We'll choose the second option, Some of Your Info. Scroll down until you find the Connections section. A large number of different sections can be selected here. In the Connections section, select both options. Continue by clicking Next. Here, my recommendation is to click on Download to Device to download the data only to your device. Now, choose the data range. You can select a different time period. It's best to choose a period of 6 months or a year. Save the changes after selection. Choose an email for notification. For the format, leave it as HTML, and since media quality isn't important for this process, you don't need to change it. When you've checked everything, click Create Files. When your download is ready, you'll receive an email notification. You'll have 4 days to download the files, and after that, the download link will no longer work. Also, be patient. This may take a few minutes or even a few hours. The email notification arrived relatively quickly for me. To download the files, we need to repeat part of the process. From your profile page, click on the three horizontal lines and then open Account Center. Open your information and permissions again. And here, we have the files ready for download. Click on Download. Now, you need to enter your password, and the files will be downloaded. If this screen appears right away, just open the downloaded file. Otherwise, you'll access your file manager and go to the Downloads folder. The file is zipped and named Instagram data followed by your Instagram username. Open the file with the built-in zip viewer or another app. Open the Connections folder and then the folder named Followers and Following. If you want, you can check other files, but we need the file called Pending Follow Requests. Open it using a web browser. And here are the pending follow requests. I followed these profiles just for demonstration purposes. You can see the date when you sent the follow request. Your list will likely contain more if you're an active Instagram user. And that's it for this video. Do you like this trick? Thumbs up and subscribe.